If you want to stop the auto-renewal for your Gmail subscription, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using the credentials associated with your Gmail account. Step 2. Access your subscriptions. Once signed in, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. Here, you will find all your active subscriptions linked to your Google account. Step 3. Locate your Gmail subscription. In the subscriptions list, look for the Gmail subscription you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details about the subscription. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Find the option that says Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the auto-renewal. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check your subscription status to ensure that the auto-renewal has been successfully turned off. You should receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. By following these steps, you can easily stop the auto-renewal for your Gmail subscription. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Google Support for assistance.